Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about Wells Fargo business line of credit. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Wells Fargo business line of credit is a well-recognized financial product designed to provide businesses with the flexibility to manage their cash flow and operational needs. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the advantages and potential drawbacks of choosing Wells Fargo business line of credit. Credit offering valuable insights to help you make informed decisions about your business financing requirements. One of the standout benefits of Wells Fargo business line of credit is the financial flexibility it offers. This financial product provides businesses with a revolving line of credit that can be used for various purposes, such as managing working capital, covering short-term expenses, or seizing growth opportunities. The ability to draw funds as needed makes it a versatile and convenient financial tool. Moreover, Wells Fargo, as a well-established bank, offers a streamlined application process and experienced support for business clients. The bank's extensive branch network and online accessibility provide businesses with convenient options to apply for and manage their line of credit, ensuring ease of use. However, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks. Like all financial products, business lines of credit involve interest costs and potential fees. Understanding the terms, including the interest rate, repayment schedule, and potential fees is crucial to assess the cost-effectiveness of this financing option. Additionally, the qualification criteria for business lines of credit may vary based on factors such as business credit worthiness and financial stability. In summary, Wells Fargo business line of credit offers businesses financial flexibility and convenience for managing their cash flow and operational needs. The versatility of a revolving line of credit is a strong advantage, but business owners should be mindful of interest costs, fees, and qualification criteria. So that's basically all about Wells Fargo business line of credit. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.